That's not nice. Break it up. Bebe and Zoe. My goodness. You should be ashamed of yourself. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Bebe. Zoe? You too. You should be ashamed of yourself. Scrapping around like that. Now you're separated. Bebe, unfluff your tail. You come over here and you be nice. My goodness, is that what goes on when I'm not home? Come here. Come here. You are in timeout. You're a little scrapper. You know that Zoe isn't happy with you here anyway. She hasn't been for the last 7 years. Or 5 years, I don't know. But you really antagonize her. I know you're ignoring me now. And Zoe, you need to behave. You need to behave. Settle down. Now I know I'll find some little fluffs of your hair around.